Welcome to our video today, where we'll be discussing a crucial topic in asynchronous programming, using Python's Asyncio library. If you're working on building scalable and concurrent applications, understanding how to implement while loops in Asyncio is essential. In this video, we'll dive into the world of async programming and explore how to use while loops effectively without calling any coroutines. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp of the concepts and steps involved in implementing while loops in Asyncio. To start with, let's briefly discuss why Asyncio is important for building concurrent applications. Asyncio allows developers to write single-threaded code that can handle multiple tasks concurrently, making it perfect for I/O-bound operations like network requests or database queries. Now, when working with Asyncio, you might encounter situations where you need to use a while loop to perform repetitive tasks. However, the catch here is that you cannot call any coroutines from within this while loop. But don't worry, we'll explore ways to work around this limitation. To implement a while loop in Asyncio without calling any coroutines, you can utilize the Asyncio gather function or use a queue-based approach. We'll focus on the latter method as it provides more flexibility and control over your program's flow. Imagine you're building an application that needs to process tasks continuously until a certain condition is met. You can create a queue to hold these tasks and then use a while loop to pop tasks from the queue and execute them one by one. This approach allows you to maintain control over your program's execution without needing to call any coroutines directly. To make this work seamlessly, ensure that you're using an Asyncio-compatible queue, such as Asyncio queue style. This type of queue is designed specifically for use in async contexts and provides the necessary hooks for Asyncio to manage its execution. By leveraging a queue-based approach, you can efficiently implement while loops in your Asyncio program without calling any coroutines. This technique not only helps maintain code readability, but also makes it easier to debug and test your application. To recap, here are the essential points we covered. Asyncio allows for building concurrent applications using single-threaded code, while loops can be used in Asyncio programs without calling coroutines by leveraging a queue-based approach. Use an Asyncio-compatible queue like Asyncio queue to ensure seamless execution. That's all for today's video on implementing while loops in Asyncio programs that don't call any coroutine. We hope this explanation helped clarify the concepts and steps involved in achieving this. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on programming and software development. What are some use cases where you've needed to implement while loops in Asyncio? Share your experiences and challenges in the comments section below.